Welcome, in the Tube family. Types of camera lenses. There are several types of lenses, each designed for different purposes. Prime lenses. These lenses have a fixed focal length, for example, 35 mm, 50 mm. They are known for their sharpness and typically have larger maximum apertures, making them great for low light conditions and achieving a shallow depth of field. Zoom lenses. Zoom lenses have a variable focal length, for example, 18 to 55 mm, 70 to 200 mm, allowing the photographer to adjust the angle of view and magnification without changing the lens. They offer flexibility and are convenient for a range of shooting scenarios. Wide-angle lenses, with a short focal length, for example, 10 to 24 mm, these lenses capture a broader view of the scene, making them ideal for landscape, architecture, and interior photography. Telephoto lenses. These lenses have a long focal length, for example, 100 to 400 mm, and are used for capturing distant subjects, such as wildlife and sports photography, with greater detail and magnification. Macro lenses. Macro lenses are designed for close-up photography, allowing photographers to capture subjects at very close distances with high magnification and detail. Specialty lenses. This category includes lenses like fisheye lenses, which create a distorted, wide-angle view, tilt-shift lenses used for perspective control, and portrait lenses optimized for flattering portraits. Key characteristics of camera lenses: build quality and materials. Lenses can vary in build quality, materials used, and weather sealing, affecting their durability and performance in different conditions. Image stabilization. Some lenses come with built-in image stabilization technology, reducing the effect of camera shake and allowing for sharper images at slower shutter speeds. Lens coatings. Special coatings on lens elements help reduce reflections, flare, and ghosting, enhancing image contrast and color accuracy. Mount compatibility. Lenses are designed to fit specific camera mounts. It's important to ensure that the lens is compatible with your camera's mount and sensor size, for example, full frame, APS-C. Conclusion. The camera lens is a vital part of the photographic process, influencing the quality, perspective, and creative possibilities of your images. Understanding the different types of lenses and their characteristics can help you choose the right lens for your photography needs and achieve the desired effects in your photos. What's your favorite part of today's video? Let me know in the comments below and hit subscribe for more videos like this.